my channel. Today I share how to make delicious simple classic coleslaw. You only need a few simple ingredients to make coleslaw. In a medium bowl, combine the prepared purple cabbage, green cabbage and carrots. Set aside. The coleslaw is quick and easy to make. It is even easy to make in advance. To make the dressing, in a small bowl combine the homemade mayonnaise, vinegar, salt, pepper, celery and Dijon mustard. Whisk all ingredients together. Drizzle the dressing over the slaw and toss until all of the ingredients are lightly coated in dressing. Also, in a small pan over medium heat, toast pumpkin seeds. Before serving, add fresh parsley and toasted pumpkin seed. Coleslaw is the perfect side dish for potlucks, parties, and cookouts. Also goes great with burgers, veggie burgers in the summertime. You can serve immediately or cover and refrigerate to marinate for up to several hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to push like, leave a comment below and subscribe.